Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Yes, guys, update about the governorship election that is coming up in Osun State come 18th of July. That is this Saturday. So, just like their other counterparts, the APC has done, that they have, calmed themselves and went to Osun to do campaign for their candidates there, who is Oyetola. The PDP too, they have theirs too, as we have PDP governors. They are there to rally around to do a campaign for their candidates, who is the dancing senator Adeleke, So the PDP governors, we have the Okowa, who happens to be the vice presidential candidate, running mate for the presidential candidate, that's Atiku. We have Okowa, Doyediri, and the rest of them. You can watch them in this video. So they have stormed Osun State to do what? To campaign for their candidate, Adeleke. Come July 18, this Saturday, the election is going to be. So, Osun people, so they are there, and I believe if our business is going to be booming right about there now because of this crowd that they have there, and these August visitors, August visitors, don't even. That's it about the update about this governorship election that is coming up in Osun State there.